The weather was remarkably warm for this time of year. The view from the top of the mountain was remarkably breathtaking. The novel's plot was remarkably complex and kept me on the edge of my seat. The athlete's performance in the race was remarkably fast and impressive. The car's fuel efficiency was remarkably high, saving me money on gas. The professor's lecture was remarkably informative and easy to understand. The city's public transportation system is remarkably efficient and affordable. The singer's voice is remarkably unique and recognizable. The art museum's collection is remarkably diverse and includes pieces from all over the world. The children's book was remarkably entertaining and educational at the same time. The fashion designer's new collection is remarkably bold and daring. The scientist's discovery was remarkably groundbreaking and will have a significant impact on the field. The restaurant service was remarkably attentive and friendly. The comedian's jokes were remarkably clever and had the audience in stitches. The product's quality is remarkably high, making it worth the price. Now, if you like these videos, please like and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.